Hey there. So today I will do the unboxing and show you my first impressions of the Wuben E61. It just arrived. It was sent for free from Wuben, just for the review purpose, without any other payment, without any indication to give a good review or whatever. And so I will do this as unbiased as I can. Also later I will do my written review on Budget Light forum, and you can see it on the description below this video, so you can have more information about this Wuben E61. So sorry for this, but well, here it is. Today I will use a knife to open this. I don't have the scissors with me. Well, it is harder to do this on camera when it's all closed like this. Also, I'm not an expert in unboxings. This is only my second one. Damn. It was really okay. And we start to see the light. Well, Yelena told me that this was not the product for the final sales, so this is for the flashlight review itself. I'm not sure if this will be the final packaging. Still, here we have it, all sealed. And let's start to see what's inside. So the Wuben E61, it's what it's called to be a tactical pen. You have the pen here, you have the flashlight there. Here are the specs. So it will have 3 regular modes: low, medium and high. Maximum will be 130 lumens. Low will be 3 lumens for 15 hours. You can pause the video if you want to see the specs. And then you will have red and blue beacon lights. I will put this aside. Thanks once again, Wuben, for sending this for review. And here it is, the packaging. Well, this is a different experience for me. So let's open this and see what's inside. So I believe this is to work with tactile screens, while this will be a glass breaker. Both are screwable parts here. And we will see how they work in the flashlight, in the pen, tactical pen and flashlight, both. So this is a USB to micro USB cable, Wuben branded here too. And now let's pick the flashlight Let me see if there's anything else inside. No, no further education, so I'll put it that way. And let's see. Okay. This way. Gecko E61. Focusing a little bit more. This is the button. Okay. So let's do. So glass breaking here. This is the tip. Sorry. This is one of the tips that come with the flashlight. You can screw in the glass breaker here. You can unscrew it. Then you can screw the thing to work with a tactical screen. And then you can use this once again. So how do we roll this? Yeah, doing this on camera, it's quite harder. Maybe I will have to use something to unscrew that a little bit. Just give me 1 second. So I can find a tool here. I'm quite sure this isn't supposed to work this way. Yeah, okay. So it will work that way. A little pressure here. And then it will be here, the pen. So now let's open to this part. Pocket clip here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 LEDs, I guess. Micro USB port here for charging. I will put a cable here. Let's see what we have. Well, you can see it here. It's blue. I will have to check if blue is charged or in charge. This is something I will have to explore for the written review, but let's take it out. Yeah. And now let's see how this works. You have the switch on, switch off button here. So click on, click off. Press and hold, low, medium, high, low, medium, high. 1, 2, so you have the blue and the red, blue and red. It has memory for all the modes, I guess. Blue, red, red and blue, blue, red, red and blue. Click to turn off. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2. Okay. So I guess I'm figuring it out. So 1 click. for on, one click for off, one click for on, then press and hold. High, low, medium, high, low, medium, high. 1, 2 for the red and blue situation, and then you press and hold again until it changes to the white LEDs. Let me see one thing. As far as we can see, there doesn't seem to be any visible PWM. This is the influence of my other lights. I will turn them on again. So this is a pen. Let's see how it writes. Right? It's a better thing to do. Just give me 1 second. Okay. Yeah, it writes pretty well. Those who know me will know that I will always dismantle whatever I can to see how the light is made. So this is the charger, the fill. This is also magnetic. You can clip it to place and then you can use it as an utility lamp. Well, now it turned on low, medium, high, so it has memory for the last use mode. Just do my final impressions with it. Hello for you too. Let's see how much this is with. 52 grams. How long it is? Oops. Sorry. Damn. So it's about 14.5 centimeters, and you can also see in inches. 5.7, oh, 5.6 inches, I guess. And now just a small comparison with other flashlights, also from Wuben. The Wuben E19. It's a bit longer. Wuben T50R, one of the best lights I have. And one of the prettiest lights I have too. The T70 in the double tube version. And the recent launched Wuben E12R. Oh, kind of difficult to see it here. E12R. So this is it. This is the Wuben Tactical penlight and pen too. E61. Well, what can I say? It feels good in the hand. Well, to write, it's comfortable here. I like this part. I'm not very picky about pens or pencils or whatever, so I liked how it can be used to write. This is definitely a plus because, well, I can use it as a light. In this situation, and then I can open to write with it as a more tactical version, let's call it. You can use it to puncture, to break a glass or something, so you can easily grab it, and you can easily carry it in the pockets of a shirt, of the jeans. You won't have any issue with it marking the jeans or whatever, because you can put the pen tip up to this part. Also, you have the serial number here. So I guess this is it pretty much. I like this. This is my first light of this kind, in my first pen of this kind, so it's a new thing for me, and I want to thank Yelena from Wuben for sending it to me, and I will let you know more details probably in my written review on Budget Light forum, so check it out, and well, have a nice day whenever it is.